Welcome. Today, we'll show you how to bring your Adidas shoes back to life with a simple and effective cleaning routine. Whether you're dealing with stains or just general dirt, these steps will make your shoes look as good as new. Let's get started.
Here's what we're working with. Visible dirt and stains. Let's transform these shoes step by step.
First, remove the laces to make cleaning easier and more effective. Use a soft bristle brush to remove loose dirt and debris from the shoes. Prepare a cleaning solution by mixing a few drops of mild detergent with water. Using a sponge, gently clean the upper part of the shoes in circular motions. Scrub the soles thoroughly with the brush to remove stubborn dirt. Use a damp microfiber cloth to rinse off any soap residue. Clean the laces by soaking and gently scrubbing them in the solution. Let the shoes and laces air dry completely before reassembling them. And there you have it. Clean Adidas shoes ready to step out in style. Cleaning your shoes regularly keeps them looking great and extends their lifespan. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.